I love UCLA. As a former Bruin, this university literally changed the trajectory of my life. As the legal cornerstone of the university, UCLA Law has been at the center of every important legal, social, and policy issue in my lifetime. Our LL.M students are the next generation of this tradition.
If you come here in the LL.M program, you're going to get to meet and become friends with and network with lawyers from all over the globe, every corner of the world.
We have made several curricular innovations that have fundamentally changed how students experience legal education.
The LL.M students take the same courses as JD students, and they have access to the same specializations as JD students.
You can specialize in areas ranging from business law to international law to public interest law to environmental law and others.
Students can also study entertainment, media, and intellectual property law, which is quite popular here at UCLA.
By leaning on Hollywood, by leaning on our alumni base, we really can train folks in how to think about the practical aspects of entertainment law, of copyright, of patent, of sports. We really dig into what the transactions look like, how do you dream big in these areas.
We offer almost 300 classes in any given year that students can choose from that cover every area of law and policy.
Students can take classes throughout the university. At Anderson School of Management, at the School of Theater, Film and Television, or classes in economics, information science, cybersecurity.
And they get to see how other disciplines teach, and they get to bring a new perspective to enrich their own studies at the law school. Another thing that's unique is that we have an incredible array of experiential courses. Courses in which students really are engaging in real-world legal practice.
You get your hands dirty, you get to work with the actual documents that you would do in a real transaction.
Having the opportunity to learn from some of the most brilliant minds in law, I think, is just something that is very rare to find.
Oftentimes you'll be taking classes from people who literally wrote the book that you will be studying from.
The faculty, you can sense, you can tell that they truly care about teaching and about us.
The professors, they are very helpful and they're very welcoming. Not just office hours, but they're welcome to have like coffee and lunch hours as well.
One of the things that's going to be unique for many students from most parts of the world is that we don't stand before our students and simply recite the law and expect them to memorize it. Instead, we engage with students. It's really a dialogue. And we hope through that technique to encourage students to think like lawyers, to ask hard questions, and sometimes to disagree. UCLA's LL.M program is highly selective, and we bring students of the highest caliber to our campus. Not only are they outstanding, but they are also truly global.
I was impressed by the huge diversity. People are coming virtually from every place of the planet here to UCLA to do their LL.M.
Law, like the rest of the world in the 21st century, is global.
When I came to UCLA, we had international students from all around the globe, and what I recognized was we had very many similarities in the fact that we were away from home.
We had a 2-week introductory period, and it enables you to form a bond before you start class and to interact with JD students.
The LL.M students do become very close to one another, and they do support each other. They do form a very close-knit community. I think that they come to UCLA for 2 reasons. One is because of who we are, but the other is because of where we are.
Los Angeles is truly one of the world's great cities. It is diverse, it is innovative, it is energetic. The future is here.
There are lots of travel opportunities nearby, and I know a lot of the LL.M students have definitely taken advantage of that.
Our LL.M students love taking weekend trips to San Diego, Santa Barbara, Big Sur, Las Vegas, the Grand Canyon, and Mexico.
You can go skiing, you can go to the beach, the same weekend.
You come with a certain hope that there's going to be lots of exciting new opportunities, but you're not sure what's actually here. Well, I can definitely tell you now that I've only maybe 3/4 away through my first semester, and there's definitely a lot of different opportunities that I didn't know were available that I am taking the opportunity to go forth with.
I absolutely loved my time here. It was fabulous. It set me up for a wonderful career that I've started with a big law firm downtown. And I can't rave enough about how good of a school this is and how wonderful the program is in itself.